We're going to do a little quick run through on how to maintenance your dishwasher, mainly the blades to check for blockages and the filter, and how it may come off, but everyone's filter is a little bit different. Every dishwasher is a little different. So, but usually here, if you look in the middle, there's like a little dial here. Whether you can turn it clockwise or counterclockwise will release the blade from the top rack, and then you can check for any blockages. Probably one of the weirdest thing I found was there was some duct tape in there. How it got in there, I do not know, but it was in there. And I also noticed there was some weird sticky residue in there too. And I found that it was from certain dishwasher tablets that may have a plastic wrapping to them. If you're not using like a high heat setting and you're not using the fancy settings, it can not get hot enough to melt. This is one of the techniques I use to really get the blockage out of there. I would block the bottom jet here and then run the highest pressure I could from the inside to kind of flush out whatever's in there. Sometimes I let it soak for even some dishwasher liquid in there, just to sort of hope and soften anything up that might be in there. But yeah, putting it together, you just get that in there, turn it again, and to take out this part, if you need to clean this part out, which I did have to as well, is you can click the bottom tab, push up. Again, everything is a little bit different between the models, but they might have a similar setup, and if they do, that's good. Again, it's a little hard to do one-handed, but we're gonna press the tabs from the bottom, push it up, and then from the top, we're gonna push those together and push it down off the rack. And you can see it's very simple to do. Then once you're done, just do everything in reverse, put it from the top, and then make sure it clicks into the top rack here. And again, we need to check the bottom. Make sure the bottom jet here is free of any blockages, which we did earlier. And then for my particular setup here, we just turned it counterclockwise to take the filter loose. My filter has two parts together. It's a little hard to do one-handed, but you can see if I squeeze it, I can pull out the top part. And then we're just gonna put it back and then turn it clockwise to lock it into place. Check the markings on your filter. It'll let you kind of know how to take it apart. But yeah, I'm gonna run a couple of those cleaning tablets that clean the dishwasher. We're gonna run that a few times to clean this one up. And yeah, it's as simple as that. And I know everything's a little bit different, but that's just a quick look.